How to get Xfinity Internet Student Discount. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get Xfinity Internet Student Discount. For this, open up any web browser and search for Xfinity Internet Student Discount. Then click on this website, which is Student Internet Deals and Offers. Now, here you can see this is a student-only exclusive offer. Here you will receive free equipment and also get a free virtual prepaid card with select internet speeds. You will also have a discounted price of $25 per month. Now, in order to get this discount, you will have to fill up these details. Start by entering your first name, your last name, then enter your name of the school, then enter your email address. Once you have entered all these details, click on the submit option. After you have submitted, you want to select your available student discount plan. Then you will have to upload the proof of your student status such as student card, class schedule or enrollment letter. Follow the instructions to submit the required documentation. Now follow the prompts to complete your purchase. This includes selecting the installation options, setting up automatic payments and confirming your billing information. Once your service is active, ensure that the student discount is applied to your bill. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.